Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get the virtual dollar card from the Acrew app. For those of you who do not have an Acrew account, please make sure to check out this video to help you create an Acrew account. I'll leave the link in the description. On the dashboard of the Acrew app, tap on Add Cash. Select any of the options that is convenient for you to fund your Acrew account. I'll go with the first option. I will select my payment method and enter the amount. Take note of the exchange rate. After doing that, tap on Initiate Payment. You will receive instructions on how to proceed with the payment. Tap on the message icon over here to contact the Acrew licensed vendor. Since I'm using my mobile money to fund my Acrew account, I need to send my number to the licensed agent or vendor and allow cash out on my device. After you submit your number and you allow cash out, all you have to do is wait for the prompt. Take note of the amount when the prompt comes to make sure that that is the exact amount that you want to fund your account with. After successfully making the payment, you need to upload a screenshot of the payment that you just made to the Acrew agent for verification and confirmation. Now your Acrew account will be successfully credited with the amount. Okay, so now that we have our account funded, let's go ahead and get ourselves a virtual dollar card from Acrew. Tap on Cards at the bottom left corner. Give your card a name and enter the amount that you would like to fund your card with. Take note of the creation fee, the funding fee, and the book balance. Now the funding fee is free. The book balance is an interesting one. What it basically means is that Acrew has a maintenance fee of $1. So they require a book balance of $4 to be on your card so that they can charge you that maintenance fee of $1, which in my opinion I think is quite high. So I want you guys to take note of that. One more thing I want you to take note of is the link over here which says supported sites. If you tap on it, it will open a web page in your browser that will list all the platforms where you can use your Acrew card and spend your money on the card. Okay, so if you are satisfied with all of that, you can go ahead and tap on the button here to request your card. Check the box over here to confirm your one-time payment and tap on the button below to request the card. Now the money will be deducted from your Acrew account in order to create your card. So if you refresh, you notice that your balance will be deducted. After a few minutes, I got a notification that my card has been created successfully. As you can see, this is my card over here and it has been funded with $9. In order to view your details, tap on this button over here and this should display every single piece of information about your card, from the card number to the name, the security code, the date, and the billing address. So now you can spend using your Acrew card. There are also options for you to update your card, request your card statement, or even delete the card if you do not require its services anymore. One of the great features about this card is that you can also top up, as you can add more money to the card if you just tap on the top up button. Or maybe you want to withdraw the funds from the card, you can just tap on the withdraw button and you can withdraw the funds from your card into your Acrew balance. But if you are withdrawing money from your card, remember I made mention of the book balance, which is $4. Now if you read the information over here, it says your card must always have a minimum of $4 for maintenance. So keep that in mind when you are withdrawing funds from your card. You need to leave a minimum balance of $4 on it. Also, if there's a situation where you just want to temporarily stop using your card, you can always freeze the card. Now, freezing your card will temporarily lock your card until you unfreeze it. So no transactions will go through whilst your card is frozen. So if you try to pay for a Netflix subscription or you try to do your Apple Music subscription using this card details whilst it's frozen, it will not go through until you unfreeze it. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, you should be able to get your Acrew card. And if you don't have an Acrew account, please make sure to check the video in the description below and create an Acrew account so that you can get access to the virtual card. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who is in need of a virtual card so that they can create a card for themselves and spend their money online. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.